Hello. Hello.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Just, just,
Sir.
just we are on the concluding mood of this chapter. Let's sum up this chapter. Okay. Earlier,
Yes, sir.
earlier what happened? Means that she was the daughter of Mrs. S. Was inside of the house of Mrs. Darling, where she was welcomed by Mrs. Darling's daughter, and she was got a chance to move hither and thither inside of her house. She also got this opportunity to see the things which was related to her and her memories. Is that clear? Is that clear?
नीचा से वो खाली
Is that clear?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now let's start from the last line where we stopped the class. When she offered, means the daughter of Mr. Darling offered to the writer a cup of tea, she welcomed her and also said thankful. And she looked up. The girl put cups ready on the tea table. She had a broad back. She was also like her mother. She was also a fatty girl, fatty daughter like her mother. She had a broad back. उसकी कमर काफी चौड़ी थी. She was fatty girl, just like her mother. She poured tea from a white pot. All it had was a gold border on the lid. कप कप का जो लिड है, लिड मतलब ऊपर का जो किनारा, ठीक ना, जिसको हम सिप करते हैं, उसने उस सफेद बहुत ही खूबसूरत, दिस कप वाज अ वेरी ब्यूटीफुल. शी पोर अ टी इन दैट पर्टिकुलर कप. All it had was a gold border on the lid. I remembered. She opened a box and took some spoons out. That's a nice box. I heard my own voice. मतलब जैसे ही उस बच्ची ने अपने बॉक्स में से कुछ चम्मच, कुछ स्पून्स, कुछ फॉक्स जब उसने निकाले, तो अंदर से, मीन्स कि फ्रॉम द इनर साइड ऑफ द डॉटर of the writer, this word came out. What a nice box. I heard my own voice. It was a strange voice, as though each sound was different in this room. यानी कि इस कमरे में पूरी जो भी आवाजें दिख रही थी, जो भी चीजें दिख रही थी, all things were strange for her, and she heard, we can say that she listened this voice from the inner side of her psyche, of her heart, and she was surprised also. Oh, you know about them? ने कहा, oh, you know about them? She had turned round and bought me my tea. She laughed. उसने हंसा. उसने उसको एक कप चाय दी. She offered a cup of tea. My mother says it is antique. Mother of mother of Darling's daughter, means कि Mrs. Darling told her daughter, who is welcoming the writer right now, that this is the antique piece, बहुत ही unique piece है. We have got lots more. She pointed round the room. See, for yourself. आप इसको देख सकते हैं. अब उसने क्या किया, उस बच्ची ने, उसको तो कुछ पता नहीं था. She was not aware with all these things. She was not aware with the past memories. She pointed out the things which were hung inside of the room, inside of the house. See you, see for yourself. आप इसको अपने लिए देख सकती हैं. I had no need to follow her hand. मुझे उसके हाथों की जरूरत नहीं थी. Now this line is the daughter of Mrs. S. I had no need to follow her hand. I knew which things she meant. मुझे पता था कि उसको इसका मतलब क्या होता है. Because these things were not new for her. All things were acquainted for her. वो तो बस अपने मेमोरी को ताजा करने के लिए, in order to recollect her memories, she came here, Darling 46, Marconi Street. I knew which things she meant. I just looked at the still life over the tea table. मैंने देखा, I just looked at the still life over the tea table. As a child, I had always fancied the apple on the पेट्रोर प्लेट. उसने देखा कि उसके सामने उसकी जिंदगी थी, उसकी पास्ट की जिंदगी. वो जो सामने प्लेट रखा हुआ था, उस प्लेट में, उसी प्लेट में जब वो बच्ची थी, when she was in the childhood, she got an opportunity to eat an apple from that particular table, which is right now in front of her. उसके ठीक सामने जो भी प्लेट रखा गया है, उसी प्लेट में वो बचपन में एप्पल खाया करती थी. सारी चीजें उसको याद आने लगी. वी यूज इट फॉर एवरीथिंग, शी सेड. वंस वी इवन एट ऑफ द प्लेट्स हैंगिंग देयर ऑन द वॉल. एक बार जब हम इन प्लेट पे खा लेते हैं तो फिर हम इसको कहाँ कर देते हैं, वॉल पे हैंग कर देते हैं. आई वॉन्टेड टू सो मच बट इट वॉज नॉट एनीथिंग स्पेशल. आई हैड फाउंड द बर्न मार्क ऑन द टेबल क्लॉथ. The girl looked questioningly at me. मैंने देखा कि जो टेबल पे जो टेबल क्लॉथ रखे गए थे, there was the burn mark, वो जला हुआ था, उसके ऊपर जले का निशान था. और मैंने उसको जब देखा, means कि when I was means the writer of this chapter, the daughter of Mrs. S, when she was observing this thing, means कि this burning thing, the burning spot was the acquainted with her. The daughter of Mrs. Darling was feeling interrogation mark in her mind. उसके दिमाग में एक interrogation mark चल रहा था कि ये क्या है? Why she is staring at this burning mark like this? Yes, I said, you got so used to touching all these lovely things in the houses. You hardly look at them anymore. You only notice when something is missing because it has to be repaired or because you have lent it. For example, again I heard the unnatural sound of my voice and I went on. I remember my mother once asked me if I would help her polish the silver. Now she is in the past memories. वो चीजों को याद कर रही है, one by one. She is recollecting her memories. उसने कहा कि हाँ, इन चीजों को छूने से, इन चीजों को टच करने से मुझे मेरी पास्ट की चीजें याद आ रही हैं. दिखता है ना कि यस आई सेड यू गेट सो यूज्ड टू टचिंग ऑल दीज लवली थिंग्स इन हाउस. उसने कहा, किसने कहा? द डॉटर ऑफ मिसेस डॉर्लिंग, कि तुम चाहो तो इन सारी चीजों को, जितने सुंदर चीजें हैं, जितने खूबसूरत चीजें हैं, इन सारे खूबसूरत चीजों को तुम टच करके देख सकती हो. You only notice when something is missing because it has to be repaired or because you have lent it. For example, अगर कुछ चीजें नहीं है, if things are not on the place, it means that these things are missed or they are went for the repair. Now she is listening all these things. She did not open her mouth. Again I heard the unnatural sound of my voice and I went on. फिर एक बार उसको अपने अंदर की आवाज, उसको अपने दिल की आवाज सुनाई देती है. I remember my mother once asked me if I would help her polish the silver. It was a very long time ago and I was probably bored that day, or perhaps I had to stay at home because I was ill as she had never asked me before. I asked her which silver she meant, and she replied, surprised, that it was the spoons, forks, and knives, of course. And that was the strange thing. I did not know. The cutlery we ate of every day was silver. अब उसको चीजें याद आने लगी, उसको याद आने लगी कि once it was when she was ill, when she was not physically fit, she was at home. Then her mother asked her to clean these forks, spoons, silver plates, all these things. But she denied, she ignored it. वो उन चीजों को इग्नोर कर दी जिन चीजों को ये दिखा रही हैं, द डॉटर ऑफ मिसेस डॉर्लिंग, जो चीजें इनके लिए काफी स्पेशल हैं, इन चीजों को वो रेगुलर अपने पास्ट लाइफ में यूज किया करती थी. शी यूज्ड ऑल दीज थिंग्स इन हर पास्ट लाइफ. वो अपने पास्ट के दिनों में इन चीजों को रेगुलर अपने खाने पीने में यूज किया करती थी. And that was the strange thing. I did not know. The cutlery we ate of every day was silver. यानी कि हम लोग क्या करते थे, हम लोग के समय इन चीजों को रेगुलर अपने टाइम पर हम इसका यूज किया करते थे. मतलब ये जो सिल्वर के प्लेट्स हैं, ये जो सिल्वर के फॉक्स हैं, सिल्वर के जो स्पून्स हैं, ये सारी चीजें आपके लिए, मतलब शी वॉज थिंकिंग हर सेल्फ, she was murmuring herself that these things are special for you, but these things are, I used to these things in my past life regularly. these are the regular these are the regular use for me in my past life. The girl laughed again. I bet you don't know it is either. I looked intently at her. What we eat with, she asked. उसने कहा कि मैं, मतलब हंसी, और उसने बेट लगाया. उसने बेट लगाते हुए कहा कि तुम भी इन चीजों को नहीं जान सकती. What we eat with, ठीक है, तुम गेस भी नहीं कर सकती कि हम किन बर्तनों में खाते हैं, किन प्लेट्स में हम खाते हैं. She asked, do you know? Well, do you know? She hesitated. She walked to the sideboard and wanted to open a drawer. I'll look, it is in here. उसने हेजिटेट करते हुए अपने ड्रावर को खोला. उसने कहा कि तुम गेस नहीं कर सकते हो कि हम लोग किन चीजों में खाते हैं. मतलब कहते हैं ना कि जब कोई चीज नई नई किसी को मिलती है तो समझता है कि आई एम द बेस्ट एंड आई एम द बेस्ट यूजर ऑफ दीज थिंग. पूरी दुनिया मेरे सामने कुछ नहीं है. उसको क्या पता है कि इसके पास्ट के लाइफ में, अपने बचपने में जिन जो चीजें इनके लिए स्पेशल हैं, वो सारी चीजें इनके यूज टू में हुआ करती थी. शी वॉज द रेगुलर यूजर ऑफ ऑल दीज थिंग्स विच आर केप्ट बाई हर मदर, दैट इज द मिसेस डॉर्लिंग. और जैसे ही उसने ड्रावर खोला उन चीजों को निकालने के लिए, बताने के लिए, आई जम्प्ड अप. आई वॉज फॉरगेटिंग द टाइम, आई मस्ट कैच माई ट्रेन. अचानक जैसे ही उसने ड्रॉवर को खोला, उस बच्ची ने, मीन्स द डॉटर ऑफ मिसेस डॉर्लिंग, एज शी वॉज अबाउट टू ओपन द ड्रॉवर in order to show her, immediately she jumped. She remembered the time. She was surprised that it is the time to catch the train. She jumped up. She was surprised because she forgotten the time, and this time is to catch her train. She had her hand on the drawer. Don't you want to wait for my mother? No, I must go. I walk to the door. The girl pulled the drawer open. I can find my own way. As I walked down the passage, I heard the jiggling of spoons and forks. जैसे ही मैं आगे की तरफ बढ़ी, उसने कहा कि नहीं नहीं, मुझे नहीं रुकना है. I don't want, because now this is the time to catch my train. उसने कहा, the daughter of Mrs. Darling replied that, do you not wait? Would you not like to wait my mother? She is about to come. Wait, please. And she was in hurry. अभिषेक राय, अभिषेक राय, अभिषेक राय. There are two images were on the screen of you. Okay. Now it is one. तो जैसे ही वो बाहर निकली, as she was in the corridor down the passage, जैसे ही वो पैसेज में थी, जैसे ही वो कॉरिडोर में थी, गलियारे में थी, अचानक उसको आवाज सुनाई दी. किसकी? जिंगलिंग ऑफ स्पून्स एंड फॉक्स. चम्मच और फॉक्स, फॉक्स की आवाजें उसको सुनाई देती हैं. At the corner of the road, I looked up at the nameplate, Marconi Street. It said, I had been at number 46. The address was correct, but now I did not want to remember it anymore. I would not go back there because the objects that are liked in your memory with the familiar life of former times instantly lost their value when served from them. You see them again in strange surroundings. And what should I have done with them in a small rented room where the shades of black out paper still hung along the window? This is a very remarkable line. Along the windows, and no more than a handful of cutlery fitted in the narrow table drawer. I resolved to forget the address of all the things I had to forget. That would be the easiest. ठीक है? इसमें in this particular line, in this particular paragraphs, the writer insisted that she should leave the place right now because these things are pinching her. These things are pinching her means whenever she was recollecting her memories, these things are pinching her. वो सारी चीजें उसको pinch कर रही थी, उसको तकलीफ दे रही थी. और तकलीफ इसलिए भी दे रही थी क्योंकि वो सारी चीजें जिसको वो कभी used to किया करती थी, when she was the regular user of all these things, now these things are special for anybody, and she is showing her that these are the very special things. These are the silver spoon, these are the silver fork, these are the silver plates and others. तो उसको थोड़ा सा हंसी लगा and she was laugh of the situation कि once it was her proper practice, once it was her regular practice, and now it is a kind of dream for her. The time changes everything. समय, time is the most powerful. Time changes everything. Now she decided that I should leave this place. I should go to the place where I am living right now. That is the rented room. And that rented room, in that rented room, the things which are most necessary for me, these things are hardly adjust there. Even then, the window of that particular room, on that window, there is a paper which was pasted there. Very short table was there. On that, she was using all the books and the required things which were most necessary for her. How a cutlery will adjust there. Then she decided that I should leave the place, and not only to leave the place, even I should forget all these things. It is very good for me. Is that clear? किसी को कोई doubt? Anybody has any doubt, please?
No, sir.
No doubt?
Sir,
Your voice is not clear, dear.
sir, reproving means.
Your voice is not clear. Which line, which paragraphs?
Sir, the word reprovingly.
Recognition.
Reprovingly.
Reprovingly. Reprovingly,
Yes.
मतलब reprovingly means scoldingly. Reprovingly means scoldingly, डांटते हुए, झड़पते हुए.
Yes, sir.
Okay? Any others? अब तो इसमें कोई चैप्टर इस चैप्टर में अब तो कोई डाउट नहीं है. यू डोंट हैव डाउट.
कटलरी क्या होता है?
हैं?
कटलरी.
कटलरी. Cutlery is a kind of pot in which we keep knife, forks, spoons,
Yes, sir.
all these things. ठीक है. एक प्रकार का बर्तन होता है जिसमें चम्मच को, फॉक्स को, नाइफ को, डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ नाइफ्स आर देयर, वो हम उसमें रखते हैं. किसी को कोई डाउट?
No, sir.
यू डोंट हैव एनी डाउट? हाँ बोलो सौरभ. हैं?
मिसेस एस किसकी मदर थी?
मिसेस
एस.
Mrs. S. Mrs. S. Mother. Mrs. S. is the mother of the writer. इस चैप्टर के राइटर की माँ रहती है मिसेस एस. यानी कि वो लड़की जो लड़की मार्कोनी स्ट्रीट एड्रेस नंबर 46 पे पहुंची होती है.
समझ में आ गया.
समझ में आ गया? और किसी को कोई डाउट? So tomorrow I will ask you questions on the basis of this chapter.
Yes, sir. Sir, can I ask a single?
हाँ, yes.
Sir, according to this chapter,
हाँ.
so what is the character of darling? मतलब characteristics sketch में tell कीजिए.
Sorry, your voice is not clear. According to this chapter.
So what is the characteristics sketch of Miss Darling?
Mr. What is the character sketch of?
Miss Darling.
Mrs. Darling.
Miss Darling.
Mrs. Darling. Mrs. Darling. ठीक है. Character sketch. Her character sketch
Yes.
is very simple. She was the very close to the Mrs. S. She went there. She used to go there at her house usually. She went there when they got this information that the war is going to start. Then she herself offered to the Mrs. S that you have the very unique pieces of articles, plates, knives. These things will be ruined during this war. The better, in order to keep it safe, give me. I will carry all these things to my house that is far away from that particular place. And when the war will be finished and you will be here, I will return you honestly. I will return you honestly. But what happened? After the passes the time, her honesty changed into the dishonest. उसकी ईमानदारी जो थी उसकी dishonesty में, her honesty changed into the dishonesty, and she did not want to return her. That's why she was not able to recognize the face of the daughter of Mrs. S. Yes.
Sir, I only want to know the characteristics sketch. Sir, in other books that I use for studying, that in simple word that written as a see the greedy woman.
What?
He's all doing for the work he do for Miss S for his thing, the luxuries that the Miss S used, the writer's mother used.
So Mrs. S was using, it was all the things were related to Mrs. S, not Mrs. Darling. And Mrs. Darling became the greedy.
Yes, sir.
Mrs. Darling became the greedy after passes the
Yes,
time.
sir.
That's why she did not want to return. That's why she did not want to recognize the face of the daughter of Mrs. S. Okay? Any doubt?
Yes, sir.
Tomorrow I will ask you on the basis of this chapter. And also we shall start the next chapter, that is the Ranga's marriage. in the very beginning of the tomorrow session, we will discuss on the different questions related to this chapter, and then
Okay, sir.
we will start Ranga's marriage. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Anybody had doubt?
No, sir.
Raise your hand if you don't have any doubt.
सर एक बार चैप्टर की समरी बता दीजिए, इस चैप्टर की समरी.
Okay. Okay.
थैंक यू सर.
Okay. So just you revise this chapter, and tomorrow in the very beginning I'll revise it. Okay? I'll tell you the summary of this chapter.
ओके सर.
Okay?
Sir,
यस सर.
Okay.
sir,
Yes, Riya Yadav.
sir,
हाँ बोलो. बोलो. Say.
sir.
Both.
Sir, on the basis of the conversation of writer and daughter of Mrs. Darling,
हाँ.
what we can say that what type of nature Mrs. Darling daughter have?
The darling's daughter has the nature to show the things whatever she has. Okay? There are two things. Mind. Keep it in your mind. There are two things. One thing, she is not aware of the truth. She is not aware of the truth. She is not aware of the past. Okay? Second, she is the teenagers, and according to the nature of teenage, she is showing all the things that she has the antique pieces which has been arranged by her mother. She did not know from where her mother arranged all these things. Okay? Yes, Saurabh? Mute your mic, na? You all are requested to mute your mic. Those who want to say, they are allowed to unmute the mic. Okay, you don't have any question right now? Then tomorrow we shall discuss on it.
यस सर.
Okay, raise your hand. Raise your hand. Okay. Okay, very good. Then tomorrow we shall discuss on this chapter. And then also we will start the next chapter, Ranga's marriage. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good day. Be ready for next class.
Thank you,
Thank you, sir.
थैंक यू सर.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.